I will invite our missionary in charge to make his remarks.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Respected Amir Sahib, respected Sadr Sahib, respected former Amir Sahib, Sadr Majlis Khudam Ahmadiyya, respected General Secretary Sahib, and all distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I will only make the short remarks, short comments that so I would like to say only one or two things. One is that Majlis ANSARULLAH, as we have been hearing from respected Amir Sahib, has a major role to play in tarbiyah of our Jama'at. The two pillars Amir Sahib mentioned, one is Majlis ANSARULLAH and the other one is the missionaries of this Jama'at. So we'll have to look back at why Hazrat Muslim Maud Raziyallahu Anhu formed these organizations and what was the purpose of ANSARULLAH, the meaning as a helper of Allah the Almighty. That means that you are the one to help Allah the Almighty in all aspects. That is spiritual aspect also, that is moral aspects also, and worldly aspects also. So I believe that Majlis ANSARULLAH, being the leader of the house, being the head of the family, being the elders of the Jama'at, if they start playing positive role in formation of the character of the younger ones, I believe that progress of Jama'at as far as the spiritual progress and moral progress and worldly progress will go ahead, inshallah. Number one. Number two is that we every day we see so many spiritual diseases and so many cases coming to us here. Amir Sahib has been dealing in the Islamic committee. I believe that if Majlis ANSARULLAH and our members of ANSARULLAH, head of the family, the elders, they start following the instructions of Holy Quran, Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and Hazrat Imam Mahdi Rasul, I believe that people under them, they are Khudam or Lajna or Atfal, they will automatically follow the instruction, the commandments of Allah the Almighty and Holy Quran and Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. May Allah the Almighty enable ANSARULLAH. I'm also part of ANSARULLAH at the moment. May Allah the Almighty enable us all to follow the instruction of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and to know the purpose of ANSARULLAH, the main purpose of ANSARULLAH and the role of ANSARULLAH in this Jamaat. Jazakumullah wa khairan. Assalamu alaikum.